how you can get Gaia UKM template. It's very simple. You don't have to panic yourself, don't have to ask your friends. There is a simple web address written ukm.my/posaseswaza/ebook-gaia-ukm. You also don't have to remember this. Simply what you have to do, I will show practically after closing this slide. You just have to search in Google, just write Gaia UKM, Gaia UKM Pusa Seswaza. Then the first page, the first landing page will be of Gaia UKM, which will bring us to this website. And here you need to understand a few things. The first part over here is UKM thesis writing guideline. So there are two guidelines available in Basam Layu and English. Remember that this is just a guideline. It's not the guideline on how to use template. Remember this. This document is about 120 pages for English guideline book and about 139 pages for Basam Layu, which nobody dare to open because it's too much boring to read all this stuff while you are reading your own papers. So, but this is a guideline in case of at any point during your study, you need to find out something like, for example, how to cite a newsletter. So you can refer to this. You will find out all the details over there. Or how to just example, if you have a long table and if you forget, like after this today's class, you forget that how to do the long table, you can refer to this guideline. But it is not about Gaia UKM template. Remember this. Second part at the same page is about Gaia UKM template. So this is the template which is available in Microsoft Word format for Bhasam Layu and English. So this is the thing which is of your use for now, for today, and for today, and as you are carrying forward your work. So you just have to download the relevant template. If your thesis is in Bhasam Layu, just download Bhasam Layu template. If it is in English, just download English one. Don't download both and don't mix it up. So if your thesis is in English, don't use Bhasam Layu template. Likewise for Bhasam Layu thesis. So again, I'm repeating, you will just come to this web link. I will show you how now. And then you have to look for this template Gaia UKM. Once you come there, you just look for Basam Layu or English template. Very simple. Now, I'm stopping my screen here and I'm going to click on this link. So this link is going to my web browser and I'm stopping my screen here. Okay. This is my screen here. Now, I'm going to show my Google tab with you. Okay, can you see my tab now? Okay, it is taking time to load. I allow few minutes. Okay, you can see my Google Chrome tab. Okay, let me put the chat box aside, then I can see your chat also. Okay, so what you have to do, you don't have to remember the whole link. Very simple. You just write here Gaia UKM Pusa Siswaza or Pusa Siswaza Gaia UKM, either way. And then when you type that, it will land you to this page. And the first thing you see here, the whole link is here Gaia UKM Pusa Siswaza. When I click on this link, it will take you to the same page which I was showing you earlier. Okay, this is translating, keep it Malay, keep it original. Okay. So this is the same page that I was showing during my presentation. So the first part is the thesis writing guideline, and then the next one is template. So what we have to do now, I will download both templates to show you, but what you have to do, you only download the one you need to use. So how to do it? One thing, you just click, if you are using Google Chrome, it will automatically download the file in the bottom over here. Or otherwise, you can just right click and save link as if you are using any other browser. So it will ask you to save your file. So in my case, I'm using Google Chrome. I will just click here BM, and the BM one is getting downloaded down here in my PC. Second one, I will click English. So I got the English one here. Now, once it is downloaded, okay, Idris said done downloading. Okay, that's great. Once it is downloaded, one important point, do not open this template file because you are not going to work in this file. This is something like a programming file.